Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing good in this pandemic situation. I am Professor Kaustubh Kapanni. I am your instructor for engineering thermodynamics subject. So let's start this lecture 1. In this lecture we are going to study what is thermodynamics, and the another topic that we are going to cover is system, surrounding and boundary. Here when we say system, we say thermodynamic system. So let's see what is thermodynamics. As the name suggests, here you can see the therm. Therm means what? Heat. And what is dynamics? It is motion. So heat in motion. So when there will be heat in motion, we are getting work done by using mechanism. Okay, engine piston mechanism is there. Okay, various thermal plant we are using. Okay, where we generate heat and we convert that heat into work done, and we use that work done for various applications. So how we are utilizing heat to get useful work done and to increase efficiency of that particular application is nothing but thermodynamics. That study is nothing but thermodynamics. So here we will deal with heat. So we should know what is heat, how we are getting that heat. We know to get heat, the ultimate, what is ultimate source of heat? It is sun. Okay, the primary source without which the life is not possible. Okay, so sun is the primary source, ultimate source. And also we know there is power plants. Okay, thermal power plant is there, hydraulic power plant is there, nuclear power plant. We can generate heat and we utilize this heat to produce electricity or to produce work done. Okay, then there are some sources like fossil fuels. We use these fossil fuels like coal is there. Okay, we use petroleum products, means we obtain it from crude oil. So all these fossil fuels we use to get heat, and then we convert this heat into useful work done. Now see what is system, surrounding and boundary. You might be seen these concepts in basic mechanical engineering. So this lecture is nothing but revision of basic mechanical engineering. What you have learned there, you have to recall that concepts. So let's see this system, surrounding, boundary one by one. Now see what is system. Let's understand this with one example. You are familiar with this typical cylinder piston example. Here in this cylinder piston, suppose there is one gas. Now if we add heat in this gas, then what happens? Here pressure will increase. Pressure of this gas will increase. Suppose pressure was P1, it will increase to P2. Suppose this piston is not moving now, then what happen? Internal energy will increase. Internal energy means the pressure will increase. Okay, so initially the pressure was P1. Suppose we have started measuring pressure at 0 second, it was P1, and after 5 minutes, at this instant when we started, it was P1, and after 5 minutes the pressure will be P2. You have added heat for 5 minutes, then pressure has increased up to P2. What about temperature? It will also increase. The temperature will increase from T1 to T2, right? Suppose temperature here is 30 degrees Celsius, and when heat is added after 5 minutes, if we check, the temperature of this gas inside is 60 degrees Celsius. So there is change in temperature by 30 degrees Celsius. So because of heat addition, the temperature and pressure of this gas has increased. So this gas is nothing but system here. So what is system? Of which the property will change. These properties will change. Okay. So that is nothing but a system. Now see what is surrounding. This is orbitary system. Means this is just graphical representation. So if this is system means We already studied it is any gas or water of which we measure properties. Okay, these properties, pressure is there, temperature, volume. What are the properties? Pressure, temperature, volume, is entropy, okay, is internal energy, is enthalpy. These are the properties. We can check properties of system, and this is what surrounding. So when we say this is surrounding, we can transfer heat from system to surrounding. We cannot use system alone. There is always surrounding. Otherwise, there is violation of laws of thermodynamics. If we are using system only, that is violation of law of thermodynamics. There is always surrounding with the system. Okay, in thermodynamic analysis, the system and surrounding both exist in same example. And this is what? This is boundary. This surrounding is generally atmosphere. Which properties are generally fixed? If surrounding is not so large, then the surrounding property also will change. For surrounding also, we can measure all these properties. In thermodynamic studies, generally the surrounding is atmosphere. So system will transfer heat to the surrounding, or we can take some heat from surrounding and we can add it to system. So system temperature will change, right? So here, if this gas is system, the heat can transfer from system to surrounding, and heat can transfer from surrounding to system. So this way heat interaction will be there. Okay, heat is path function. Okay, so we can measure heat transfer only. Okay, like these properties, these are the properties: pressure, temperature, volume. These are not path function. We will study what is path function and what is point function. That is our next lecture topic. So this system can transfer heat, or sometimes what happen, suppose there is exhaust wall here. Okay, exhaust wall is there. So heat will transfer from this system to surrounding by conduction, convection, or radiation. But sometimes matter also get transferred from this system to surrounding. We know exhaust gases, through silencer it will escape out. Okay, after combustion what happened? These gases will escape out, and along with that gases some heat also will transfer. So due to convection there is some heat transfer. So matter also can transfer from system to surrounding. This is our system, so some matter will get transferred and some heat can transfer from system to surrounding, surrounding to system. So this way there will be interaction in between system and surrounding, and this is what? This is boundary. So next topic is boundary.